Hi everyone! Welcome to the complete Python programming course that you can find everything you need related with Python programming. This course is especially designed for beginner to advanced course. And now I want to give you a brief information about myself. My name is Ömer Faruk İnce and I'm a software engineer, and also I have a bachelor and master degrees in computer engineering. And besides, I'm working as a trainer at oraclemaster.com. Also, I have been working for more than 9 years in so many software projects in top lead software companies. And now I have been working as a Python developer for a long time, and I'm super excited to share my knowledge and experience of this awesome programming language. With using Python programming, you can build almost everything. So what do I mean by that? For instance, you can build desktop applications, make your own web applications, automation of daily and industrial tasks. You can make scientific calculations, create and write your scripts, work with data science, visualize your data, work with big data, do deep learning and machine learning, or whatever you want, even artificial intelligence software. As I've said before, this course is specifically designed for absolute beginners who want to take their first steps into programming. So, even if you don't have any programming experience, don't worry, you are in the right place. Or you know some other programming languages, but you want to learn Python too? That's great. That's great choice for you too. As last, you're familiar with Python, but not enough level, and would you like to be an expert Python programmer? Great! Bullseye! All of you are welcome to the right course. And in addition to all of these, by the end of this course, you will learn almost everything that you may need to know while developing your Python applications. So then, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.